Hey, Nathan.
Hey, Kevin, how's it going?
All right. What'd you bring us?
What do you think it is?
You know, I've seen it.
Yeah.
Only because I've been to the trade shows. Is this supposed to help us stand on roofs?
It's a roofing tool.
I'm supposed to stand on that thing.
Jump on. No, don't jump on it. Just step up onto it. It sticks.
It does.
It's a great tool.
That's solid.
It's just that foam wedge that creates a level surface for you to work on.
Right.
Really, really handy to have.
So am I looking at it sort of, is it two different pitches there?
Two different pitches. So you have a 12 pitch and a 9 pitch. So your side's a 9 pitch. And then I have a 12 pitch on this side.
12 being steeper than a 9.
Correct. Yep. So I have a 12 over here. Just hop right on.
I've got mine set to the 9. Hop right on. Look at that. And I felt it sort of soft beneath my feet, so a little padded if you wanted to kneel on it.
Little padding, you can kneel on it, sit on it. It's really just, it's been great for me working, putting tools. You know, if you're working on a roof next to a skylight, next to a dormer, you know, doing some sidewalling, it's a really good tool to have.
And you never have a flat surface for your tools, whether it's your bar, your gun, your hammer, or whatever, so you can use this to...
That's the biggest thing. You're not putting anything down on these pitches, right?
That's great.
So now you have that level surface. The only thing I wish I did when I first bought it was I bought 2. Because two things. One is put your tools on something while you're working on the other one, or if you want to move around a little bit. You've got your fall protection on, so you're safe.
So you always use this with fall protection?
Always using fall protection. Get that set up first. Once you have that going, you can move around the roof. You can work in tight spots. You can really just put your tools down and sit if you need to sit, take a break. It's a good tool.
I could totally see that, you know, because if you're on a 12 pitch and you're on that thing, you feel good.
Yeah.
You don't want to step off of something level.
No.
So you want to go from one to the other.
One to the other, yeah. No.
So you go from one to the next.
No, you can't. You really can't even stay up there long. You know, and you're not putting anything down.
What about cost? If I'm going to, double down and get 2?
2 sizes, 32 and a 24. A little over 100, about 150.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah.
And you use it a lot.
I use it all the time. Yeah, anytime I'm getting near a roof, I always throw it in the truck.
Kind of ingenious. So it's just a foam pad on the bottom, which is really grabbing that roof, but it's doing that because it's on asphalt.
Instantly.
So we're not going to use it on other roofs, though?
No, we're not going to use this on metal roofs. We're not going to use it on a clay or a tile roof. Strictly for asphalt shingles, like an architectural or a 3-tab.
Yeah, I like it. That's cool. Well, I'm glad you brought it in and showed us.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. I'll just be taking a break up on the roof.
That's what I do.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.